Alright, well, here is the RV. Here's the finished stepwell and the floor. That's just an entry mat. And then to make up for the table that was gone, we found this little table here at Costco. It's actually a kid's table, but it fits just perfect in between the seats. So we can use that as a table to do puzzles, to do whatever, put drinks on. And then the floor goes straight on back. We fixed the issues with the floor scraping with those felt pads. We've got the Insta trim down. We found a cute little bath mat. Floor all the way around. Final floor in the bathroom with the chase done with the same step edges that we did on the front in here. Make that look good. On back, we've got the floor in the bedroom underneath that chase there, and then all the way over to the bedroom slide there. So all in all, a great project. We did do a couple of other things as well. Pulled two things in. First off, I pulled the monitor for the energy management system and put it right here so I can see it while I'm inside and don't have to go outside into the electrical bay to actually see that. And then the washer and dryer, this rig is actually a 30 amp rig with 2 rooftop air conditioners and a washing machine and a dryer and a microwave. And if you add up all of that amperage, it's way more than 30 amps. So what this rig does is it has this electronic system that switches on and off the back AC or the front AC. So it lets one of them cool down. The coils are still cold, and then it'll cut the compressor off to one, turn the compressor on to the other. So both of them are never compressing at the same time. It's called shedding, and so that helps keep the amperage low. And then on top of that, the other two big things, the microwave and the washing machine, has this switch that's right there. And you can switch to send power to either the microwave or the washing machine, but never at the same time. And so what I have done is turn that on to microwave, so the microwave is on. And then the washing machine, back in the back, probably can't see in here, but back in the back there's an outlet that runs obviously to that switch. So what I did was I unwired that outlet and then ran an extension cord, just a heavy-duty extension cord, wired that outlet from that extension cord, ran the cord down into the electrical bay. And so now when I hook up at a park, I can hook up the main 30 amp power, and then I can also hook up that extension cord. So the washing machine will be running off that extension cord, not on internal power here in the rig. So we can run the washing machine at the same time that we run everything else and stay below the 30 amps. So that's the final everything for the RV, and we're packing up and ready to go to the Outer Banks. Okay, so that's the end of that project. It took a long time, took my time, did it right. It looks fantastic. If you're thinking about doing it, I highly recommend it. So get out there, RV, have fun with your family. Make sure you make it to church on Sunday.